I was saying, I think this looks like a little wind-up toy.
It does.
I'll wind it up Nico before he goes. There you go.
Want to drive it, Mom? Yeah, let's go for a ride. I'll drive you.
Like that?
Like what? Oh, yeah, with my eye? We got beat up on the price, guys. I tried to do better.
That was Mama's joke. We used it for a different video.
Watch your leg. That's the main thing about these cars. You always burn your leg. I'm going back.
Was it amazing?
It was, but the damn car has no power steering.
Oh. Dang.
like
No
Fasha
power
now.
steering? All right, let me take a ride.
Oh, you want to take a ride?
I guess.
Okay.
Let's add miles to this car.
Watch your leg.
I got pants on.
Yeah, it'll fucking go right through your pants
Yeah.
leg.
But be
Yeah, right.
careful.
I burnt my leg on a dirt bike.
Alright, let's,
Oh, wait, hold on.
need my glasses?
He's back on again.
Alright, and these videos, one's gonna be without. Alright guys, so we're gonna take a second test drive. Sal's never been in this car.
Whee!
Oh, almost stalled it.
Yep, I thought it was.
Like, how badass is this? Cruising around in a 65 Shelby Cobra Kit Car? You just can't afford the real ones.
Nobody can.
You can't even tell the difference, honestly. The fucking, and plus you wouldn't want to be driving a $5 million car. The Shelby ones, the ones that you can still get made by Shelby, our friends have one. Those are worth about $250. This shifter just feels so badass. Like, look, first gear is like all the way down, and you're like,
Did I hit the kill switch?
nope. I don't know if anything. Yeah, it would just shut off everything.
This looks like a kill switch.
No, this one's wipers. This one's got a light on the
That's
bottom.
got to be the coolest wiper switch I've ever seen.
Yeah. And look, this is the horn.
That's also pretty cool. I just be playing with the wipers all day.
Yeah. Uh-oh, it's driving school. Can we fuck
We
with
should
that?
ask him if he wants to drive this.
Want to learn how to drive on a Cobra?
Monty! Oh, geez, what are you doing?
That's a big bump.
You went straight for that curb.
That bump was fucking massive.
What's up with this window?
Deflects the wind, like
Oh.
a window does. Look, you go out in. Look at these ones too.
This is the least amount I felt wind in my hair, I'd say. So I guess that's what this is all doing?
Yeah.
I mean, don't you kind of want that, though? Oh, look, a buggy.
The guy had a buggy too. I'm debating if I should black out the windshield. It would be fucking badass.
Yeah, that'd be stupid.
It would look nice.
Don't do that.
Tinted windshield.
If anything, you tint this thing. Because then this one's a tinted.
Yeah, but then that would look funny.
It has a surprising amount of leg room.
It does. For getting in and out of it sucks, but you're comfortable. This is basically an oversized go-kart.
Yeah, I was going to say, it feels a little like driving the Fiat around.
Yeah, the Fiat, the Dune buggy. This thing, it was the first test drive. Well, after we purchased it and I was driving home, I was definitely scared. You know, just never driven anything like this really. And just being like so low to the ground and there's not much to protect you. Pretty dangerous car, but it's fucking badass.
Oh, I think Dominic's going to want to go for a
Yeah,
ride.
he never driven it yet. You want to drive it? You never drove it.
Oh, no. He said he doesn't care. Hold on, before you get out. Hold on, I got to get out first. Let's see. Watch how easy I get out of this.
Yeah, burn your fucking leg.
Oh, crap. Thanks for the reminder. I touched it with my back of my foot.
Brooke wants to drive
It didn't feel that hot, though.
You could drive in it, Brooke.
Hold on, don't go in yet. I got to do a closer. All right, don't drive this one in the rain.
Why not?
Just don't do it.
I got one better. I'm gonna drive this in the snow if we have snow and if we still have it.
Oh, great.
How cool would that be?
Terrible. Not cool at all.
10
I mean,
likes, I'll drive
technically,
it in the snow.
technically it'll be cool because snow is cold.
That would be so sick, driving in the snow with the top down.
No,
Yes.
don't do it.
Oh, there's no top to put down, but in
Yeah.
a convertible.
Don't drive it in the rain.
You didn't say snow, I couldn't.
You got me there.